Pretty cold on this day back in 1934 with a record low of 22 degrees below zero. It's hard to believe the last day in February, whatever the month is, would actually feature a temperature that low. Not less surprising to see a high of 71, so back in 1939. Well, the cold front has moved through. Thermometers continue to fall. We're now down to 436. Oh, boy. That has really dropped. We had a high of 62 this morning. Now we're down to 36 at the Wheeling, Ohio County Airport, 35 in Steubenville, 37 in Washington and Cambridge, 42 in New Martinsville, 45 in Morgantown. Winds, they're whistling out of the west and northwest, and right now they're steady at about, right along the river, about 12 to 17 miles an hour. That gives us a pretty nasty wind chill out there. Wind chill of 26 in Steubenville, Wheeling, and in Camber Ridge. And then around 7:10 this morning, as the cold front slash squall line, that is line of thunderstorms, moved through, we had a wind gust at the Wheeling, Ohio County Airport of 65 miles an hour. Later on 7 News at 5, 6, 10, and 11, we will show you some damage that occurred. Also, there was some flooding. We had a few tornado watches which were issued, and you can see how fast everything has moved on out. Just the tail end of our southern counties picking up a few light showers as we speak. Well, now we're preparing ourselves for brighter skies. You can see how there is some clearing occurring all in parts of Michigan, over into Illinois, up into Wisconsin, and we're hoping that that clearing will occur around here for your Tuesday. There's still some warm air out there. 81 in Miami, 83 in New Orleans, 87 in South Texas. That's Brownsville, Texas. And then you can see as you get into the northern two-thirds, at least the northern half, it's colder than average. 28 in International Falls, 29 Minot. So some of that cooler air will be moving in our direction, as you might expect. And then look at all the colors here. These are tornado watches down here. The orange are severe thunderstorm warnings. Parts of Tennessee, North Carolina, a little bit of Alabama, and Georgia. And then behind there are a lot of creeks, streams, and rivers over their banks. Flood warnings occurring in much of the northern two-thirds of Ohio. Western parts of Pennsylvania and New York, southeast New York, a little bit flash flood or just flood potential, and the southern coal fields of West Virginia down in eastern Kentucky, and then the light blue shows wind advisories. Well, that whole system is moving out rather quickly. We will have to watch the Ohio River, though. We do expect that it will continue to rise. Could it get up near flood stage around noon on Wednesday? And there we go, but I'm not expecting a major flood here, not at all. And there's our clouds and radar, third view showing the whole nation. Now, we're expecting a weak bubble of high pressure is going to move in our direction tonight and tomorrow, so if you got a barometer at home, give it a tap and you'll see it kind of nudge upward. And then the high pressure hangs off there. We got a low moving through the eastern Great Lakes. I'm pushing the button here. Nothing's happening. There we go. That low moves up into the Canadian Maritimes, and we get a reinforcing shot of cold air coming into the area Wednesday. Then we get into Thursday, not bad at all. Friday, we begin to develop some low-pressure systems, and it looks like some moisture from the Gulf of Mexico will eventually get here. There is a chance late Friday we could see a few rain showers. Then as we get into Saturday, it looks like the heaviest rains will be with us probably Saturday into early Sunday morning, and then eventually we'll get back into a little bit of snow. So here's your 7-day forecast. We're about ready to step into the month of March. It looks like March is going to come in like a lamb, I would say. Even though it kind of roared like a lion today, it wasn't officially March. So anyway, it looks like we're going to have highs generally in the mid-40s for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, with brighter skies. Overnight lows dropping into the 20s tonight, tomorrow night, and Wednesday night. So 3 nights in a row down in the 20s, 3 days highs in the mid-40s. Then we're going to warm things up a little bit, but looks like rain, soaking rains, followed by a little bit of snow on the tail end. Will we get flooding from the next system? Well, a few small creeks and streams and stuff, but will the Ohio River flood? I doubt it.